Over the past few days, it's been a privilege to have been a part of this. Seeing young people think more positively about using social media.
Does anybody feel addicted to the time spent on social media sometimes? Especially the videos. If you're scrolling, it can take up a lot of your time. Now, a lot of these social media platforms are taking over a lot of people's lives. It creates a bit of an addiction because a lot of these platforms are designed specifically to keep people on them and for people to spend money. So TikTok last year didn't have a shop. Why? Because they were gathering all their followers. This year, they've got a shop. So they know they've got the numbers. We need to keep the numbers on, and those numbers are going to start to buy things off TikTok.
It was really great. I think there was a nice combination of sort of confronting information. So there were particular moments during the workshop where you could see that the students were physically taken back by how easily accessible information is online. It sort of forced like this encouragement to reflect on how much time that we're using on social media. So it was like this combination of reflective and informative and really engaging and fun activities.
Some research that has proven that young people who spend excessive amount of time on their phones have a thinner frontal cortex on their brain, and which means they struggle to retain information. Then, secondly, it's more likely to get depressed, stressed, or anxious because you might be saying, oh, look at Sandra. She was at Westfield and she bought those shoes. Oh, I wish I could have those shoes. So is social media really controlling us? And what things can we do to spend less time on social media? So an hour before bed, you might say, right, I'm gonna stop using the screen, switch the phone off, put the phone in another room,